Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to see quadratic equations exercise number 4, question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Comment on your answer. So now here, let the length of rectangular park, that is equal to L. Let the breadth rectangular park that is equal to B. Okay. In the question he given perimeter is equal to 80. Area is 400. So we know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 80, it is given. According to the formula, it is 2 times L plus B. That is equal to 80. So now we send that 2 to right side. It is in multiplication. It goes to division. 80 by 2. It is nothing but 40. So L plus B is equal to, I am getting 40 here. This is condition number 1. We know that area of a rectangle is equal to 400. That is nothing but length into breadth is equal to 400. Okay, length into breadth is equal to 400. So here L plus B is equal to 40 I am getting. L is nothing but 40 minus B. I can substitute this value here. 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. Okay, now here multiply 40 into B is nothing but 40B minus B into B is nothing but B square, that is equal to 400. Okay, in the next step, bring 400 to left side, minus B square plus 40B minus 400 is equal to 0. Minus B square plus 40B minus 400 is equal to 0. So it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is nothing but here minus 1, b is nothing but 40, c is nothing but minus 400. First you find out nature of the roots. B square minus 4ac, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here b is nothing but 40, 40 square minus 4 into minus 1 into c is nothing but minus 400. So 40 square is nothing but 1600. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So 4 into 400 is nothing but 1600. So that is 0 I am getting. Delta is equal to 0. The roots are equal. Equal roots I am going to get here. So now we will calculate that. Now we have to find out the roots now by use the quadratic formula method. Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now here b is equal to minus b minus of 40 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac, it is 0 we got just now recently, by 2a, 2 into minus 1. So here minus 40 plus or minus 0 by minus 2, that is nothing but minus 40 by 2, minus 2. Minus minus is going to cancel 2 one time, 220 times. Therefore breadth of a rectangular plot is nothing but 20. We know that area of a rectangular plot is given, that is 400. L into b is equal to 400. Here the breadth I am getting 20. So L is nothing but 400 by 20. 0 0 cancel, 220 times. So length is also 20. So for this what I am getting, length and breadth both are equal. Length is 20, breadth is 20 meters. Therefore L is equal to 20 meters, breadth is equal to 20 meters. Here length and breadth are both are equal.